we are in Capistrano, and there's Carol standing by the train. She's going to take the train back home to Long Beach, but they won't let her on the train because she doesn't have a ticket. And she's trying to escape me. She keeps saying goodbye to you, but she's not getting on the train. Let me just film this train here. It should be leaving any minute. I think it's been ready to leave now. Over here is the old train station, built in 1839 by Indians, the Apaches, forced labor. Oh, I think the train, oh, Carol missed her train. Wouldn't let her on. She waved goodbye to him. Well, Carol, like you're stuck in Capistrano with me. That's too bad. Yeah. There goes Carol's last chance to go to Long Beach. Okay. I do that?
Card, just hold it, and then film as we cross.
I can't see in this thing now.
I know. Yeah, but if you just held it like this, you're going to get something.
I'll get you down in here.
This is nice. See all the different code signs there? O'Neill. I like that's a O'Neill Post.
Here we are at the Los Rios Historical District, O'Neill Museum. This is the oldest street in California. And there's Carol, she's pointing to the sign. Yeah, he is. We are on the oldest street in California. It's built in 1532 by Cherokee Indians from the Arapaho tribe. She's saying, okay, we have a house. Okay, here we have a scumbag attorney, I think.
No.
Oh, Stephen M. Rios.
You shouldn't say that.
all attorneys are scumbags.
Yeah, but no. Well, not all.
They are. That's an old house too. That was built in 1456.
Oh, here's
Okay. Okay, is there a car coming?
There's a motorcycle.
Okay.
Built in 1794.
Oh, really?
Right there.
Okay. All right, I got it on film.
Built in 1794 for Feliciano Rios, a Spanish soldier based at the San Juan Capistrano mission.
Okay.
It was the oldest home continuously occupied by one family in the state of California.
Well, what do you think
And
of it?
now it's by it's the law offices of Stephen Rios,
Wait a minute.
family descendant from Feliciano,
Let me focus this in. Oh, okay,
whom
okay.
Larry
now I
just
can-
called a scumbag.
Right. Sorry, Rios. I've been watching too much TV.
Yes.
Okay,
Now look it down there, down the street.
down the street.
Well, first off, look how big this trunk of this pepper tree is. See the pepper tree?
Oh my God. Yes.
And how big this tree is, along with the yuccas.
Yeah. Big trunk on a big pepper tree, and that's looking down the street.
Yes.
The oldest street in California, I might add. Okay. This goes on forever.
And we'll find them.
Oh, I got to zoom back here. What are we
Street
gonna find?
sign to tell you.
Okay. Okay.
Look at this.
Okay. Okay, walking down the street here.
Look at that. Is that huge or what?
That's
Look at that. My Lord.
that is a big old street.
That is
Tree. I mean,
huge.
that's a big old tree. It has been there for I think 2,000 years. Got a
at
stop
that.
sign right beside it. Go over here and stand with it.
Okay, watch out, there's a motorcycle.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Damn bikers everywhere. What's that? It's a piece of wood.
Probably was the post that it was
It was,
connected to.
that was put there by Navajo Indians when they built the. in 1639 when they planted that tree.
But they
A priest made him plant that tree. He said, "This will do you Indians good to learn how to plant trees." Okay. Hey, here's a jail.
Let's put the guy in jail over here.
Okay. Will you go in there for me?
It's locked.
It is?
Yeah. That's the San Juan Capistrano jail that they used to have in 1860, circular. That's where they put people in jail. Back in 1860.
I'll be darned. Well,
Yes. They ought to do that now. Publicly humiliate people. They wouldn't.
will you go in there for me?
No.
Why?
Because I didn't do anything wrong.
Please go in there for me.
No.
You throw me in there.
No. Come on.
Come on, you should go to jail.
No. Not why.
Because you didn't make any trouble.
No.
Okay. That's where that biker went. Get over there.
But
Okay.
are you filming the street?
Yeah.
It is?
Oh yeah, right over here. There's a big old mission over there.
It's turned into a restaurant
Yep.
now.
Yep.
That's the Rama's House Cafe
Yeah.
right here.
Okay. Yeah.
See? People waiting.
People waiting in line to get into the Rama's house.
It's a historical site.
Okay, here's another historical site. This is an old adobe house.
1794. One of 40 adobes built for the mission workers and soldiers, named for Colonana Montanez, who gave religious instruction to children here from 1886 to 1910 when the mission was unoccupied. And the house was restored in 1980.
Wow. People still live there.
Yeah, they do.
It's an old house. And there's a barrel.
Look at that tree. That looks like a...
Wait a minute, this is a barrel. This is a barrel. This is where the saying came from. It's your turn in the barrel tonight.
No, that's what William Sylvester Turner did.
That's
He was a cooper.
A cooper made the barrel.
A barrel maker. Who knows? He may have made that.
And looky there, a covered wagon.
Old covered wagon.
That was their
Did you see that
transportation.
tree, Billy? Look
What
at that,
tree?
how that's- What tree? Look at by the palm tree. Look how that's laid out.
Oh, I'm going upstairs.
Look in the back.
Look in the back. Oh, what is that? Indians still live back
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
We want to go back there? You think it's
I
safe?
don't know if we can. Can we go back there? Let's go back
Let's
there.
go back there because there could be Indians back there.
That's
Let's
right.
go see if Indians are in there. Let's go.
You got it off or on?
It's on. We have-
Still?
Yep.
All right, let's go back there. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay.
Hey, look at that, how they made that.
Oh, yeah. That's neat. An archway.
We got an archway out of some sort of plank.
And here's an old wagon. There's a wagon wheel for Barb. In fact, there's 4 wagon wheels for Barb.
Yeah, Barb would love that.
I don't know. Look at that back there.
We gotta go back and see this. There's where they tied up the horses.
It's the old hitching. It's the old hitching post. And here's a garden. We're going back into an Indian village now. A primitive Indian village. This is unbelievable. We're going back in time. Going back in time.
That really has to be an Indian deal.
Yes, Indian built that. Where are they?
But where did they go?
Where did they go? There's their kitchen.
Yep.
Outdoor cooking.
Yeah.
Where are they?
It looks like a little hospital here.
You know what? We're being watched. I can tell.
Yeah.
They're watching us right now.
Yeah.
Where are they? Go inside, Carol.
Mm-hmm.
Go on. Check it out. Be the scout. Someone got to go first. Be careful, please. If you need me, just holler. Oh, there she goes. What courage. The Indian teepee. Oh my God. Where'd she go? There she is. Stay there. I'll zoom in. I'll come and save you. We'll zoom in. There. Okay. Poor Carol. She's dancing now. Look, they brainwashed her. Oh my God, I never get killed about. You know they do the white woman in the Indian catching. Look at her, she turned into an Indian already. Please come back to me, please. Don't be an Indian.
Hey, look at
Are
that.
you okay?
I'm okay.
You were Indian for a while, you know.
Yeah, I know. I felt it.
Did
That
you
was
feel
pretty
it?
neat,
What'd
yes.
they do to you in there?
I can't tell.
Oh, God, you
I
look
can't
happy.
tell.
You were dancing.
I was. It's wonderful. Hello.
The Indian village back there.
Oh.
There goes some more people into the Indian village. Will they ever come back? We'll never see them again. Okay. Now on the front porch. Oh yeah. What's that say? Oh. 1794, huh? Wow. It's an old house. Very old house. They don't build them like they used to.
Nope.
See, you know what?
What?
Well, I mean, there have been Indians here today because look at the blanket's fresh. You can tell. I'm a scout. The blanket is. Oh, peace. They must be peaceful Indians then. But they sure took advantage of you in that tent, that teepee, whatever you call it, hut, the grass hut.
What was a hut?
Hut.
Hut.
Oh, we're
Did they go in
walking.
there? There's a fire pit in there?
This walk through here. Good things will happen to you forever.
See all these names on here have donated money or something.
Oh. Sitting Bull, Geronimo. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. Let's go on down here.
Yeah, you're not
I'm
still
sure glad.
filming, are you?
Yes.
We're
I'm
going to run out of film.
I'm sure glad you're back.
Yes, they decided to park the motor.
Yes. Okay. Let's see over here now.
I know.
Look at this old place.
That is so cool. Isn't that nice? Look at that.
Last time we were here,
Yeah,
that was an old abandoned house.
Yes.
They turned it into a restaurant. Either that or it's a big family.
Well, no, it's the tea house.
Oh, it is a tea house. Okay.
Okay.
It's not a big family then. Okay. Let's keep on going down here.
They even got a parking lot here now.
Yeah. And an
There's
arch.
a pepper tree that was in the backyard.
Oh, yeah.
But of course, we don't let it grow. It looks awful. I mean, out here.
All these old houses. This is where the Indians used to live. Villagers were here. They used to own California.
Yeah. How
Good.
wanted.
Took it away from them.
Okay, now, honey.
Okay. Here's another art shop.
Well,
Treasured from the heart.
the old home, but they've just turned it into a little art shop. You know, antique stores.
Okay. There's another old house coming up here.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the barn?
The barn?
The horses in the
Oh,
cows.
back in the back.
Okay, we'll go down here a little bit, then we'll go to the barn.
Yeah. That's the San Juan Capistrano Mission Church dome over there.
Yeah, I'll get that when I get by that tree.
Or are you getting these houses in here?
Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting all
okay.
these houses here, yes. All these old houses in California.
Yes.
I can't have a
See,
seat.
right there, Ramos.
No, that's not Ramos.
Oh,
I mean,
Rio
this
Street.
is Rio
This
Street.
is Rio Street, that's right.
Let me get up here and get the street name. Los Rios Street, the oldest street in California. There it is. That's proof. Right above a speed bump. Okay. Here's another old house over here with a gazebo. Is it a gazebo?
Yeah, if you go around this way,
Yeah.
I think that tree right there is some years back when we were here, we had our picture taken.
That's
Those
it.
were orange
I took your
flowers.
picture there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at, now this is beautiful.
What? Oh, yes.
Look at the big tree
Mm-hmm.
that's out front. It's like I don't know what kind of tree, but look at, this is all lavish. You could do something like that at the house.
I got it on film.
Yeah,
The old archways.
yeah. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
But look at this house. These people own all this.
Yeah, they got a gold mine, don't they?
Oh yeah. Not gonna bother anybody. Look at that. This is their meter reader, so they can just sit out here. Looks like
Yeah, they got a little trash there.
yeah.
Hmm.
Well, but look at the yard they
Oh,
have.
yeah.
And then they have that house over there they built.
Oh,
Two
they moved that in here one, didn't
Yes.
they? That old house.
That's not an old house. That's a new one over there.
An old
There's
town with
old
lots of new
homes down
cars.
there.
Yeah. Lots of new
Oh,
cars.
and a policeman.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if he's in the car.
Okay.
Isn't this pretty? Look at this.
Yeah.
Aren't those beautiful?
What are they?
I don't know. They're beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen a bush like that before. Quite beautiful.
Yeah. Got a playhouse up there.
Boy, isn't that nice? Children playing.
Nice house. Hello.
Hello.
Got you on film.
I love that. Look at that big veranda. Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah. I'm going to turn this off for a while until we get back to the ranch.
Yeah. This is what we have in front of the house.
Oh, yeah.
It's a Japanese jasmine.
It's pretty.
It's got the orange flowers.
Uh-huh. And then up here is the let's see, what's this? Capistrano, San Juan Capistrano Mission Church, Catholic Church, yeah. Okay, I don't know. You say we should have planted that stuff like they did?
Yes, by the wall, by the garage. You know,
Oh, yeah.
The driveway.
Yeah. Now what's this?
Sure
What's this?
Steele would have cut it down.
Well, yeah, the crazy old woman would have. What's this place called? What's that say?
Apple Rose Cottage.
Apple Rose Cottage. Okay.
And then this,
Nice little picket fence. It's an old house that was turned into an antique shop.
isn't that nice?
You know, and even the house is an antique, and everything you see there is an antique. Even that picket fence is an antique. It's not for sale. This is looking back the other direction, looking south on the oldest street in California. And there's Carol again.
See
Okay.
that's that star jasmine or that something jasmine that
Where?
we pulled out. That's along the railing there.
Oh,
We could get some of that and put it on our railing.
on the porch?
Yeah.
Oh,
like
yeah.
that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine. Wow! Look at that. Did you see that?
Did you? Woo! That was fast.
Man, did that give you goosebumps?
Yes, I loved it.
You love trains, don't you?
Yes.
I'm your